So, can you see the red dot? Yes? Very nice. Okay, now, can we read the first word? Hide. What is the first word? Hide. Very nice. Now, read the second word. End. 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 And then, which word is written in green color? Seek. 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 Very nice. Good job. Okay, now we are going scrolling down the page. And the other words are can. 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 Now, can you read the word which is written in green color? Can you tell me which word is it? You. 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 Very nice. Good job. Now let's see which word is next. The word which is written in yellow color. See. Can you say it? See. Very nice. Good job. And now let's see what is written in red color. Us. 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 Very nice. And which word is written over here? Can you tell me? Yes. 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 Good job. Now we are going to see which word is coming next. Which word is it? Can you tell me? It is the shortest word. Me. 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 And then there is we. 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 And after that, all. 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 And then, which word is it? Come on, tell me. Can you tell me which word is it? Dad. Very good. Good job. Dad. Dad. Very nice. Thank you so much for reading the verse. Now, what we will do? Can you tell me? What we will do now? We are going to read the story. Do you have a storybook? Can I see? Can I see your storybook? Come on, everybody, show me your storybook. Very nice. And if you don't have a storybook, it's totally fine. Teacher is going to show you the storybook on your screen. Can you read the name of the storybook? What is the name of the storybook? Hide and Seek. Good job. Very nice. Very nice. The name of your storybook is Hide and Seek. Now, we will read the first page. Okay? Can you open your storybook? What is on the first page? Can you see us? Can you see us? Can you read with me? Can you see us? Very nice, good job. Now we are scrolling down and we are going on the next page. If you have a book, you can turn your page, okay? Yes. And what is written over here? Can you see me? Can you see me? Can you see me? Can you see me? Now come on the next page. Yes, I can see you. Yes, I can see you. Yes, I can see you. Very good, good job. Now we are scrolling down and let's see what is written on our next page. Whoa, what is written over here? Can you see me? Can you see me? Can you see me? What is on the next page? Yes, we can see you. 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 Good job, very nice. Now, what we will do? We will scroll down and we will read what is on our next page. Okay? Yeah. Can you see who was in the box? Kipper. Can you see Kipper now? Yes? Yeah, we were not able to see Kipper now before. Can you see me? Can you see me? Yes, we can see you. Yes, we can see you. Can you see me? Yes, we can see you. Very nice, good job. Now we are going to see what is on our last page. Okay? Ding, ding, ding. Who is it? Dad. We can all see Dad. Can you read with me? We can all see Dad. 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 Very nice. Good job. You have done a great job. Can you clap with me? Very nice. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for reading with me. And it was really nice to read with you all. Thank you so much. So Allah Hafiz from my side. And your teacher will tell you what you will do next. Allah Hafiz. Tata.
Thank you, Miss Noori. Have a nice day. Yes, did you enjoy the storybook? So you find out who is playing the hide and seek with the others? Basically, the dad is playing the hide and seek. So you try to buy your storybook as well, then you enjoy a lot. जब आपके हैंड में होगी ना बुक तो आप और ज्यादा एंजॉय करेंगे. Okay? Very nice. Now we can go to the next work. Okay, who has the Urdu book? Can you show me the Urdu Khushkhati book? This one. Yes. Who have it? Show me. Yes. Rayab is having. And Ahmad Raza is having. Shayan also have it. Or. No, Abrish, show this one. The Khushkhati book. The second Urdu book. And Hassan Abdullah also have it. Very nice. Abrish, you are not having this one? Yes, Ahmed also have it. You are just having the only the Glab book. आपके पास सिर्फ ये वाली है? Where is this one? Yes, Umar Danish, you also have it, na? Show your book. Zain के पास नहीं है. It's okay, कोई बात नहीं है. Now today we start the work with this book. Okay? Tell to Mama, write my name in the top of book. It's okay, Abrish. Tell to Papa or Mama, please purchase this book. Then I will do the work. Okay? Good. And everyone tell to Mama, write the name in the top of the book. Here. Now, when you write it, ये देखें, टीचर ने अपना नाम भी लिखा हुआ है, टीचर का नेम है, ठीक है ना? When you open this book, this is the title page, the first page. This one is the title page. First page, turn the first page, turn the second page, turn the third page. These are the index pages. Index pages क्या होते हैं? उसमें लिखा होता है कि इस बुक में क्या क्या है. And then you can got the page number 1. Downside of the book, the page number is written, so you follow it. Now everyone open page number 2. Number 2 is written over there. Open page number 2. And in page number 2, you can find flowers, stem, and the leaf. On the top of the page, you can find flowers, stem, and leaf. Open it. सब जल्दी जल्दी से खोल के मुझे दिखाएं. और जिनके पास नहीं है वो ट्राई करें कि आज या कल तक उसको बाय कर लें. Now open. Yes. Who opened this? Shayan Heather. Very nice, Shayan. This one. Yes. Who is next? Rehab. Very nice, Rehab. Ahmed, show your page, bete. Hassan Abdullah, you also show your page. You have the book now? Yes, Ahmed, right. Yes, today we learned the number 1 and one is down and down. One is down and down. Okay? Now look at these pictures of flowers. बहुत सारे बने हुए हैं ना यहाँ पे. You can see the stem of the flower. I will share the screen. Just a minute. मैं आपको स्क्रीन पे शेयर करती हूँ तो आपको क्लियर नजर आएगा. Just wait, I am sharing screen within a 2 minute. Just a minute. It's in my mobile. You are not hear me? Anabia? Beta, you are unable to hear me because your net is not proper working because your mic is not appear in front of me. Now it's sharing. When I share the screen तो you can see easily. आप easily उसको देख सकते हैं और समझ में भी आ जाएगी बात. It's very easy. हमने today we learn number 1 and 1 is down and down. So we can trace that one as well. Now see the screen. क्या हुआ? Now you can see the screen, everyone. Rehab, bete, don't do it. It's bad manner. You are a good boy, na? आप तो बहुत अच्छे बेबी हो. Now you can see the screen, everyone. सबको नजर आ रही है screen? यहाँ पे इस फ्लावर में आपको straight dotted line नजर आ रही है. You can nod your head or show me a thumbs up. Then I realize कि आप सबको नजर आ रहा है और समझ भी आ रहा है. You can see this dotted line which inside the flower it's called stem. You just trace a straight line. You just trace a straight line with your pencil like this. Look at the screen, Ahmed. Ahmed, look at the screen. You just trace the line. Ayan, bete, don't do it. सॉरी अनाबिया अहमद. मैं हमेशा अयान का ही नेम कॉल कर देती हूँ क्योंकि इन रिटर्न भी अयान ही लिखा आ रहा होता है. You just trace a straight line in the center of flower. It's also down and down. It's also down and down. It's help you to make one और उर्दू का हरूफ तहाजी नंबर 1 अलिफ. तो ये जो 2 लाइंस ऑफ फ्लावर है, आपका ये काम है. जल्दी जल्दी से जिन बेबीज के पास बुक है वो फटाफट मुझे स्ट्रेट 1 लाइन ट्रेस करके दिखाएंगे. Yes, I am watching के who is tracing. Ahmed, keep the copy or book on the place. कॉपी को या बुक को किसी जगह पे रखें, अपनी लैप पे मत रखें. टांगों पे रख के नहीं लिखा जाता बेटे. यस, यू रखें और अब लिखें. वेरी नाइस. You just trace a straight stamp line. It's also down and down. It's also down and down. It's also down and down. Very nice, Rehab. Good job. Put the pencil upside. No, Rehab. Don't follow the wrong formation. ऊपर की तरफ पेंसिल रखेंगे और नीचे की तरफ आएंगे. What the teacher said? One is down and down. ऊपर से स्टार्ट करेंगे, नीचे की तरफ आएंगे. Yes. One is down and down. Yes, this one. Very nice. शेयान, आप भी अपने करीब से दिखाएं मुझे वीडियो. I am watching you. Yes, शेयान, write it. I wanna see you. कि आप कैसे लिख रहे हैं. One is down and down. One is down and down. Abrish, you can write in the rough copy or any rough pages.
They are writing numbers and